Right, we have Neha PMP here, the most successful person who got certified. Neha, when you got certified, it should
On
be
September 10th, Sriram.
September 10th. Okay, yeah, almost 2 weeks back.
Yeah.
So after your certification, you were so excited and you took 2 days off from your work and you slept well.
Yes, correct. Because I did only night shift for PMP preparation and the exam as well.
I know,
Completely.
I know. I don't see the certification part. It'll take all your energy out.
Uh,
When the exam get over, you really want to say, "Man, leave me. Let me take some rest."
Correct.
Good, good. What's your role you are playing, Neha, at your corporate?
Yeah, now I'm both service management
Okay,
and vendor management. That these
good.
two include,
Okay, good.
and
Okay.
we plan for the projects. It's not that we do the project management fully, but my role is planning for the project and hand it over for
Very good.
implementation.
Very good. So you have some relevance of the subject what you read. You were able to.
Roadmap, yeah, we have to do the roadmap and give it to them, the other teams.
What you read in the PMP, are you able to relate it with the job what you did?
Very much,
Very
Sriram,
much.
actually, yeah.
Okay, but
The estimates.
still the exam was challenging, right?
Yeah. I mean, actually, after reading the PMP book, my job made sense to me. Okay, why they are doing, or this is how it is actually done, but this is what we are doing.
You
The
fell
job.
in love with your job now.
Or rather, okay, this is the crap I am doing from the book.
Okay, Neha. I remember the day when we took the training in your company, right? It happened. I was just talking about it. You all were very tired and exhausted with the training. So
Correct.
after that, so how was the journey, the learning journey, where it started, how it went?
Yeah, like I mean, I took the training almost in September 2019, and I've given the exam in 10th September 2020. So 1 year, yeah, it took 1 year for the exam. Like the motivation was always there to do the certification, but the time wasn't there.
Hmm.
First of all, I had personal commitments, and then uh, COVID. I think COVID helped me because I was able to the travels all were cut down, right? So I had some time to focus and use that for this pair, so that
Good.
when that is over, I don't have to think about career. I think maybe for
Great, great. I know
yeah.
last year you had a project of getting married. So
Hmm.
that's a major
Yeah,
program.
that is sorted. But the project was not closed because I just got married, but I couldn't do anything after the. So
So which
that
book primarily you read for your exam?
uh, I was going through PMBOK. I did at least 2 to 3 revisions of PMBOK, even before I started taking the marks.
Three
And
times you
then
read end to end?
not end to end, but bits and pieces. Like
Yes.
used to do
Yeah,
the
yeah.
knowledge area. I used to study. Then after the 1 month, I was not able to study. Then again, I used to
Again, you
start.
start from okay.
Uh,
Not
so
stop.
that way,
And
then
after you did one chapter, will you take any chapter test in any books?
uh, randomly, like Udemy questions were there.
Very
I did
bad.
some Udemy questions, or you have given some questions back,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
randomly, and we get the daily questions paper also, like
Okay.
some HD learning. So
Okay.
those were also I was doing.
Got 10 questions every day which we post in the WhatsApp.
Correct.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Pretty good.
So, hmm.
Right.
But
Right.
seriously, I started preparing from June.
Hmm.
Uh,
June
so
2020. Hmm.
yeah, June, and initially I thought I'll take the exam on in August, 20th of August, but I was not confident, so I had to push it back till 10th September, and
Hmm. Hmm.
uh,
Okay. Okay. Tell me the last few days. Yeah, are you with 100% confident or slightly dilemma?
you know that better how much I bothered you daily. So,
Shriram,
so
can I go for exam? Tell me.
yeah.
She will show a knife to me. Are you going to tell me correctly or not? Can I go for the exam or not?
Yeah,
Please.
even after getting the 70% pass mark in Prepcast, I was like, is this really enough? Because when giving the exam, I was like, okay, these are fluke. Like maybe I'm doing a guesswork and all that.
Yeah. See, the PMP is you don't know how much is enough until you go to exam.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right? You don't know. You don't know. It's some crazy stuff. Whenever you call and ask me, I'll smile to myself. Okay, she's going to ask. Instead
The
of
next,
asking whether I can go to exam or not. She'll ask whether I go to exam or not. Tell me.
yeah. Yeah, because each exam the summary was same, but the type of question was different, and
But actually, you performed well. You did a good job on your preparation. Even though you have an office and personal life, you are able to spend good time there and prepare it well. Well, good job. So PEMBA you read primarily, and how many practice exams you would have did overall
uh,
size of exams? 200
like
questions.
all the prepcast, they had 7, but I did 6 only 6 full mock exams.
Okay.
And except for the second one, I passed in all. I got a 72 above in all of the others.
72 and above.
Yeah, 72 and above in all the other prepcast marks.
After the exam, will you analyze all the questions?
I mean, that is recommended, much recommended after I actually saw the main exam.
Now you understand, right? Why you asked me that question? Because I'm gonna go
Yeah,
to exam.
I used to only analyze the where I got wrongs, but the right ones also because the questions used to be very narrow and the
Like
options are
equally
also very.
lazy. It's like equally lazy. Let's not do it now.
Yeah, if I mean, thankfully I didn't had the chance to do it again, but while writing the exam also I was like, okay, if I have to give this, even if I fail, I know what I have to do for the.
Oh, in exam hall you decided second attempt.
I was not at all well because first 40 minutes I had this connectivity trouble and I was completely blank. It took almost 1 hour for me to change the laptops and start the exam. I was supposed to start
So
at
that
11:30.
laptop got trouble, right? Doesn't work.
Mm-hmm.
Mac,
Yeah.
you said?
No, office laptop, firewall got stopped.
Firewall
Uh,
issue.
and my personal laptop, the Windows OS wasn't supported. I had an old OS, so that didn't support Pearson application.
Okay.
Then again, my husband's office laptop, it worked. It didn't had any firewall. So
Thank
I
God.
did
Thank
the
God.
exam.
So last minute you made a lot of fun activities at home.
Yes.
I can visualize a scene. You guys running in the room. Take this laptop for that.
Actually, he was sleeping. I had to make him open your laptop, unlock everything.
I'm
Like,
writing PMP. How can you sleep? Huh?
yeah. So that is
Okay,
how.
great. So did you write all the 4 hours exam or was it
No,
early you completed?
no, I did maybe 5 minutes ahead of it.
Very good,
So I
very good.
took the break also because I was so tensed with
You
all
need
this laptop one. I took 10 minutes break and
very good.
I had reviewed all the first 80 questions also. I started clicking randomly answers, but when I reviewed, I changed a lot of things. That maybe that I settled it after 1 hour also into the exam, and
Got you.
so.
Right, pretty good. Good work. If you want to give some information to anybody preparing now, so
Mm.
what will be your thing? Hey, don't do this. Do this. Do the
Mm,
don'ts.
so definitely you need to analyze the questions after you any mock exam, prepcast or any random question which you do. Why it is wrong and why it is not wrong. Why the option answer is correct. So that analysis is much needed. And with respect to ITTOs, writing them helped me. I was able to connect one process to the other process because of writing the inputs and outputs, that brain mapping. And maybe because I did random preparation, also I was able to recollect most of the ITTOs.
Okay. But
So
ITTO questions came in direct question.
no,
Directly.
ITTs were never direct questions. The process to process mapping helps.
That will be there. Yeah, that will
Mhm,
be there. Yeah, 4 or 5 questions will come. That
mhm.
very
Yeah,
good. Very good.
and direct questions we will get from schedule management, like crashing, fast tracking.
Ah,
As directly, if you see the question, there cannot be a different answer. It will be a
got
one to
you.
one. So
Got you. So any question
sc-
agile came up?
no agile. I had maybe around 6 to 7 calculations, EVM calculations.
Formula based
We
only.
don't need even calculator for most of them. Uh,
Okay. Okay.
it it
Okay.
is just choosing the options.
Fine.
Mm, I mean, yeah, no communication channels also problems. Problems are only from cost and schedule that I got.
How is it on change management? Do they drill you more?
Yeah. More, I mean, this is a blind thing. If you have change management in the option, you can go for it. You don't have to even read the question.
Oh, the question
So
definitely will be there. Huh?
yeah, it's a change management, and you have to have the difference between knowledge repository and lessons learned repository, and
Yeah.
yeah. So the one is an OPA and one is an output, like your lessons learned register. So these differences you just have to identify in the question while reading. So
Got it. Got it.
these
It's almost
key.
2 weeks gone. Still, you remember the questions. Ah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. So, you had this doubt until you go to the exam hall, right? Am I ready? Am I ready?
Even while writing also, I'm like, I hope I will I just get pass.
While writing exam itself, am I ready?
Yeah. First, when I submitted the 80 questions, I knew, okay, this is now I will clear. I mean, after I changed few options and all that, now the tension starts because those 80 I can't change. The next
Oh,
120 is the deciding factor, and I have to do more confidently. So
good, good,
that
good.
was.
Is a proctor supportive in the sense they, if in case a technical problem came up, are they helping anything
Yes,
technical
yes.
problem?
The proctors are very helpful.
Okay.
And I think after I started my exam, because it's in the midnight at 12 or 1, I
Hmm.
don't think I had any proctor.
Hmm.
Uh,
So they'll be
so,
there. You can't see them. They'll be there.
no, I raised a hand something for some query, but I nobody responded or nobody contacted me.
Okay. Okay.
So
But
I think,
the proctor come from different country. For example, if you go to
correct. Yeah.
India, it
Hmm.
will be daytime from US or somewhere in
Uh-huh.
else.
But
But
they're
if you,
very helpful. I changed 3 laptops and she was very cool. Like, it's okay, you have to change your laptop. I'll give you another access code. Disable. She was
they,
giving.
they know, right? 200 countries people are taking. Definitely problem will come. Initial days, there are not much support. Of late, I'm seeing proctors are so supportive.
Mhm.
But don't ask the exam question. They won't give you.
No, no, no. They will not know. They are not
They'll,
PMP.
they'll disqualify you. They say, thanks, guys. They close application.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, pretty good. What about your sleeping habit and reading habit? How many hours you spend per day?
Uh, Weekdays I used to read around 2.5 hours.
Per day,
Two,
average.
yeah, 2.5 hours,
Okay.
and then uh, weekends also around 3.5 hours. Not
That's it.
much. That
That's it.
yeah,
Okay.
one and
But you're a
one.
fast reader. You read pretty fast.
Maybe.
Yeah, you read pretty fast, right? Good,
Yeah.
good. But also you're a night person, right? You read only
Yeah,
at night.
it's only night time. I used to start at 11:30, 12 when everything is calm around me and people are sleeping. Then
Okay.
I drag into the night, like around till 3 or so. I used to
Yeah, yeah.
be aware
When
of
I wake up morning 4 o'clock, I'll see your result.
that.
So I understand this girl has worked at night and got the results now.
Yeah.
When I woke up in the morning, WhatsApp, the first message will be yours. Sriram, this is the score. So,
Yeah, both at the score, the tension would be there. Is this enough for the exam? Should I reschedule the exam?
it's
That
not
would
only
be.
you, Neha. The same topic comes for me from many number of people. Sriram, am I ready? Do I need to reschedule? So,
Yeah.
it's a very obvious question, right? You put
Mm,
50,000 rupees money in that, and
mm,
without knowing, you cannot jump. It's your money
mm,
and time and kind of a prestige also. Sometimes it's
mm,
a kind of value also. You don't want
mm.
to stop yourself.
No, nobody knew in office or anywhere else that I'm giving.
Ah,
After finishing it only, I was like, I mean, I haven't taken any leaves also until then. So people were
oh,
thinking, okay,
okay.
we are asking her to use her leaves, so she's on leave, they were thinking. And
So after you complete, they would ask, hey, Neha, how you did? Then you would tell,
yeah,
oh, it was an
yeah.
AI
Oh,
task.
is it, did you already do? When did you do? We thought you were just on a leave. So,
You would have said, right, it's okay, yeah, PMP and all, nothing for me. Just like that.
no, no,
How
no.
was the gang? I think we are a gang of people, right, who are preparing
Yeah.
PMP.
Yeah. I think Ramya wants to restart after seeing this. Prem
Okay,
is anyways in preparation. Anirban is also.
sure.
Anirban is like, this is there in my KPI, like year-end performance. That's a metric for him now. So he's like, I
Right.
have to
There are
do
many
this other.
organizations looking for it. Either this course or you have to do agile courses.
Yeah,
Something
I
either.
I have PSM one also. I did PSM one. So both.
Great, great, super. Neha. Thanks a lot for coming up today and
Mm,
giving valuable inputs. Let your encouragement help more people who are
sure, sure.
looking for it, right?
Thanks. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Appreciate your time. Keep rocking.
You too. Take care. Bye. I'll still keep bothering you for our other reasons.
Please, welcome, welcome. We are happy to serve more.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Sriram.
Yeah.